Hey, I want to make a video showing you how to try to change your driver's side low beam. That's that light right there. Anyways, so here we go. Okay, I tried to get at an angle with the tripod on there, but it was just not happening, so I'm just going to freehand this. Sorry for the shaky camera. So you just come right behind your light. The low beam's going to be this one. I'm sorry, it's going to be the outer one right here. So you get the inner one, your outer one. All you do is reach in and turn this to the left, and then it comes right out. This is my bad one. You don't want to touch the glass, even though you could touch it on here. You should make it a habit not to do it. Then you just flip it over and you push down on that button right there at the base, and you can pop it out right there. So let me I need two hands to do this, so I'm going to just take this out, and all you do is take this out, put the new one in, and then put it back in, turn it to the right. There, I can kind of get a shot from this angle here. So I figure I'll show you taking this out. You just push the base button. And it could be a little tight. Boy. And that's all there is to it there. Got her out. This is the bad one. Let me go grab my new one. I'll be right back. I'll put a link to this. This is a 9006. You can tell it's a low beam because it's got like a black cap on it. Oops, I just touched the top. Don't do that. And it should say 9006 on the bottom there. And it should have a little notch on the top there. Just compare it with your old one or ask your auto parts guy to help you out. So all I'm going to do is take my connector. Goes in a lot easier than it comes out. Just push it into here, click, and all I'm going to do is put it in and turn it to the right. So my battery's died in the middle of this, so all I've done is put it in, pushed it down until it clicks, and we try to swing over and get you another angle. Then you just put it back in the hole there, and this time you're going to turn it to the right. And so when you get done, it should point straight down, and that's all there is to it. Anyways, if you have any questions, leave it below. I'll leave a link to the light bulb, and that's about it. It's pretty. This is probably the easiest light bulb to change on this car.